This is my blog. In this blog, we can writing for the how to writing for SEO title and description and meta keywords. We are writing for two ways. We are writing for two ways. I can show first way here. First of all, these are your keywords. So this keyword is called NodeFX. How to earn money online through Forex trading in Hyderabad. So they can give mapping will be like this. This is our place. First of all, we can place the code right onto the theme. Suppose I have a doubt with the code, how to implement my code. That is called your on-page code. Just here, and go to this option. This is your on-page code. You can add on your code will be two ways. One is through coding. Second thing will be without coding. So first of all, we discuss about the without coding. So before that, select your keywords. Just I'm open your keyword. This is my keyword. Just I'm preparing here. Pipe. What is called? This is my title. Next. Same one. NodeFX. Provide. So title always using for comma. You can give to your places. Yes. First copy this title. There's some title part. Okay. Yes. Next we go to this description part. Next your keywords. A small change here. I'm writing for all option. What is my blog name? Just select your blog URL. Just go here. Select your other name. Is it clear? Also writing for title using with the pipe symbol. Pipe means R. Here what is the keyword? How to earn money through online forex trading or currency trading or stock market. Here what is the common keyword? How to earn money through online using three ways: forex trading, currency trading, and stock market. We can using for three keywords. But how many places are there? We can using places will be our description. Why? Our titles suffer up to 70 characters exceed, but better showing for how many characters? Only for 55 characters. Now, first I'm writing for your complete one. Okay, this is our coding part. Right now, I'm not using any code. The simple here. First of all, I'm selecting my title. Without going, I upload on your Blogger. Just select. Go to Blogger dashboard. In this, click for setting. This go to basic. Here, click for edit. Select it. Click for save changes. Previous how will be showing here? How to earn money through forex trading. Now click for refresh. How to do and earn money through online forex trading, currency trading, and stock market. The title will be changed. That is for your title. So we are using any backend code. We can't use any backend code. We can change it for our backend on your logger dashboard. Next one. What is showing here? Description. Select your edit. How many characters will support here? 500 characters. As SEO rule wise, how many characters will be support? They only support by 300 characters. So less than 50 you can use what is called. They show you as a error. Short description. Now, just copy here, paste here, click for save changes. Now, right now I have a question where I can implement for the our meta keywords. Yes or no? That is called. First of all, copy your meta keywords. Okay, just go to Blogger dashboard. In this option call is post. You go to home page, click for edit. In this right side, they can show option call is label. Click for label. Every keyword separated by who? Comma. Just see. Paste it. Click for done. These are our keywords. Click for update. Just first of all here, refresh. Now you can check your backend. Just Control U. First, what will check? Our title is or no? No. Control F. Title. Done. How to do and earn money through what is called? This is our title. Next one. You can check for our description. Done. This is called meta description. I can't use any code. Just implement for the our blogger dashboard. Using for setting, the option called is basic. You can change your title and the description and adding your keywords. This is called we can adding on your title and description on your site without using any kind of codes. Now I can show for with along with code. Now see this one. First copy entire code. This code purpose of content for every time we can check, revisit after. Any spamming we can check every 2 days. We can checking for our indexing process. They can show for robots. How many URL we can index? Any URL we can stop. They are decided by your robots. Distribution, rating, language selection, window target, fixed label for all images. Now here all age groups. Next year Google search engine, Yahoo search engine, Microsoft search engine, and Bing search engine purpose. That is called crawl on your all search engines. Just here. Copy this entire code. Here, any site, your changing option will be only for this 4. Remain all will be common points. For language selection, for crawling purpose, and search engine implementation purpose. Just copy this code. Leave this. Copy. Just go to Blogger dashboard. In this option call is theme. In the option call is edit HTML. You can paste the code for exactly header part when showing for our title. Just come title, enter, paste it. Here they're showing anything wrong. The main problem is called close tag. Close tag. The close tag will be not valid. It's not there. It's showing for error. Close tag means one center will be there. What is the ending tag? Full stop. Comma means another option will be there. So now we can have the 2 options. Select it. Click for save changes. Done. Now my code is active or not. How to check? Just go back, refresh. Now check back. See this line. Any code will be there right now in this. My code is there. How to know my code? We can check. Just check this one. Control F. Anything is there? Search. Now just refresh. Now it's activated. This is for your title. But here the title will come in for 2 times. Why? I'm adding for your backend. I'm adding with the code. So we can add with the 2 ways. Coding without coding on your bloggers. This is called adding on your SEO title, description keyword on the bloggers.